Hello guys, this is another paper of Cambridge Primary Checkpoint. This is paper 2 and code is 084502. This is paper of April 2021. So as this is paper 2, you can use calculator for that. You can see the instructions. You can even take screenshot to read that afterwards. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to my channel to get the latest papers of primary checkpoint. So let's start. So question 1, write 12/16 in its simplest form. So to write this fraction into simplest form, we need to divide both numerator and denominator by a common factor. So as you can see, both are even numbers, so we can easily divide them by 2. So this is divided by 2, divide by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6 and this is 8. Again, both are divisible by 2, so we can divide by 2 to both. So this will be 3/4. So now we cannot simplify it further. So this is the simplest form. So this will go in the answer column. Now question number 2, write a whole number in the box to make the statement correct. So this number in the dash rounded to nearest 10 is 360. So when you round this number to nearest 10, answer should be 360. So that means you may have different answers in that. So if you have, let's say, 361, so this is ones place, this is tens. So if you round this to tens, it will be 360. Also 362, if you round this, it will become 360, 363. So all the numbers which are like up to this 364, 365 will become 361. So we can choose any one of these numbers. So let me just write down here 362. So when you round this to nearest tens, so it will become 360. Question number 3, write a number in each box to make all the fraction equivalent to 1/2. So all these fractions should be 1/2. So we will deal them one by one. So this one here, it is 4. So 4 over what will give you 1/2. So from here, if you need answer as 1/2, so that means 1/2. So from here, if you see, to make 1 the 4, what you need to do, you are going to multiply here by 2, here by 2. So that's how you will get 4 here, and then you will get here sorry, I made mistake here. So this should be 4. 1 times 4 and 2 times 4. So this will become 4/8. So here in the blank space you will write down 8. Okay, now this one here. So answer should be, this is dash this number over 10. We have 10 here. So our answer is supposed to be 1/2. So you can see from 1 to make this 10, what you need, we have done here. So you have times here by 5 and here also by 5. So 5 times 2, it will become 10. 5 times 1, it will become 5. So here we are going to put, right, 5. Right. Now the next one, we have 3 over something. This answer is also should be 1/2. So to get 3 here, what we did here, we can multiply by 3, multiply by 3. So 3 times 2, it is 6. So here it will be 6. Similarly here, this is also our answer, this is 4. Our answer is supposed to be 1/2. So from 2 to make 4 we are multiplying, I'm sorry, not here. So here times 2 times 2. So this will become here 2. So 2 over 4. So this is how you can complete it by doing calculations one by one. So let's move to next question. Question number 4. Okay. Question 4 is 4 oranges are needed to make a glass of fresh juice. Orange juice. Gabriela makes 24 glasses of orange juice. How many oranges she needs? So we can simply use calculations of the cross multiplication. She makes 24 glasses of orange juice. So how many oranges she needs? So you can see 4 oranges are needed to make 1 glass. So I can write down here 1 glass can be made by using 4 oranges. Okay, so how many oranges are needed to make 24 glasses? So we need this one here. So you just cross multiply here. It will be 24 times 4. So you can simply use calculator for that. 24 times 4, this is 96. So answer will be 96. That's it for question number 4. Question 4. Here are some numbers. You can see the numbers are given here. Use each one of these numbers to make the statement correct. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers here, and we have 6 boxes here. So we will use 1 in each. So for that, if you can see, we will have the whole number. There none of them is decimal. So like 1 over 5. So that means 1 over 5 of what gives you, we are taking some number here. So that means we need to take here the multiples of 5. So if you look here, the multiple of 5 here, it is 80. So if I take 1 by 5 of 80, that means we are dividing 80 by 5. So 80 divided by 5, it gives 16. So you can see we have 16 here also, and we have 80 also. So 80 will go in this box and 16 will go in this box, the answer. Now 1 by 3 of. So we are looking for multiples now. So if 12 is multiple of 3, so if I am taking here 1 over 3 of 12, so that means 12 divided by 3, it will be 4. So we do not have 4 here, so this is not working. So next number 4, 2, this is divisible by 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 4. So we have 14. So we can use 40 and 14 here in this. So we will have here, you can see 1 by 3 of 42 will give you answer 14. So now we are left with only 1 by 8 of, we have 96 here, and answer is 12. 96 divided by 8 will be 12. So you need to use these numbers to fill in here. So one by one do the calculations, then we can do that. Right. Now let's move to question number 6. Complete the partitioning of the number. So we have given this number, so we have to complete. This is very simple question, you all know that. So first digit is 6, then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So we are making 5 zeros here. We'll write down 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then 4000, then 300, then 7s. There is 1 digit, so it will be 70. Now question 7. use the symbols. We have greater, less than, or equal to complete the following. One whole term and three right angles. Are they equal? So this is our you can say the circle that we turn. One whole turn. One whole turn is starting from here, one like this. So these are 90 angles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 right angles. So one whole turn. So that means one whole turn is greater than 3 right angles. So these are 3 right angles up to here. But we have here one full turn. One full turn is greater. So we will put one greater sign here. So one right angle, you all know this is a right angle which is 90 degrees. So it is equal. So two right angles, one right angle, then you move here. So this is 180. So this angle will be 180. So this is 120. So 120 is less than. So two right angles are actually 180. So this 120 is less than 180 degrees. Right, I hope you got it. So let's move to next question. Question number 8. Here are 3 number balances. We have the balances here. Each side of the number balance has the same answer. Because this is a balance, so number answer will be same on both sides to keep this balance. Write the missing numbers in the box to complete. We write the missing numbers in the box to complete each number balance. So this is just the calculations. As you can see, 215 plus 36. So 215 plus 36, it is 251. So this answer is 251. So 136 plus something, that makes 251. So simply we will subtract 251 minus 136. So it is 150. Got it? Now next. We will complete the same way. 179 plus 287 gives you 466. So something minus. So now it is minus. So we will add here plus 158. So this is 624, because this should be a bigger number, because you are subtracting 158 to balance, make the balance. So next we have here the decimals. 36.6 plus something. So let's first find out the answer of this. 95.5 minus 16.7. So it is 78.8. So this answer is 78.8. So that means this answer should also be 78.8. So we already have 36.6. So what should be added to make this? So we can just subtract minus 78.8 minus 36.6. So this is 42.2. Okay. So let me show you this again. It's like this. Fine. Now question number 9. Write in figures the number 690,402. So we can write down first the number of places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. So we have 690,000. This is thousands place. 690,402. So this is blank here, so we are going to put 0. So the number is 690,402. Now let's move to next part, next question. Question number 10. Jamila and Lily both count the number of pieces of fruit sold at their school shop in 1 week. They each produce a graph of their results. This is Jamila's graph, this is Lily's graph. Okay, so we have fruits this side and number of numbers sold of the fruit on the other side. So part A, we have this question. One of the girls made a mistake when counting the number of fruits sold. Write which fruit has different score in two graphs. So as this is the graph of the same information, so it should it should have the same number of fruits on both sides. So let's start one by one. Pairs are 10 here, right? Pairs 10 here, so this is correct. Then bananas 25, so here also bananas 25, between 20 and 30. So apples 20, so apple here also 20. So oranges are 15, here you can see oranges are 30. So this is different. So where is the mistake? Here one of the girls, Lily, made mistake. Write which fruit. We have to write down the fruit. Which fruit has different score on two graphs? So oranges. Oranges have different score. So we will write down oranges here. Part B. The shop sold 70 pieces of fruit altogether. Put a cross to show which graph is not correct. Jamila's or Lily's? So we need to put a cross now, not tick, cross. So as we have seen that the shop has sold 70, so one of them is not correct. So total number of fruits, so let's see which one is the same, or gives us the answers 70. So if you go for the fruits in Jamila's graph, we have here 10, then we have 25, then we have 20, and then 15. So if you add them together, 10 plus 25 plus 20 plus 15, which is 70. So that means 70, that was given to us, like the shop sold to 70 pieces, so we got 70, so that means Jamila is correct. So Lily, let's check for Lily also. It's 10, 25, 20 and 30. So this comes out to be 85. So that means Jamila's graph is not correct. So we are going to put cross on Lily's graph is not correct. So we are going to put cross on Lily's graph. So write a calculation to explain your answer. So Lily's graph, the total number of fruits is, it is 10 plus 25 plus 20 plus 30 is 85, while it should be 70. The total should be 70. So that's why Lily's graph is not correct. So that's it for question number 10. Question number 11. Put brackets into this calculation to make it correct. So our answer is 116. So we need to make answer 116 here. So for that you need to use trial and error method. If you are going to put bracket here, it will be 45 plus 25 minus 4. This is going to be very small than 116. So if you put bracket here and here, so this is gonna give you a bigger number. So this will be 3 times 15 plus 25, it is 40 minus 4. So this is going to be 120 minus 4, which is 160. So that means this bracket will go here. So this will be our final answer for that. Now question number 12. Write a common multiple of 4 and 5 between 50 and 90. So we are starting from 50. So first I will write down multiples of 4. Then I will write multiples of 5 after 50. After 50 it will be 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85 between this. So I have written that. Now after 4, common multiples of 4 after 50. After 50 it will be 54 plus 4, 58, 58 plus 4, 62, 66, 70, 74, 78 and so on. But we need to write down a common multiple. One, just one is asking us a common. So we are writing only one. So let's see which one is common here. If I go along, I can see, yeah, 70. So we have this 70 common in both. So we can write down 70 as an answer. Right. Now let's move to next question number 13. Draw a ring around all the numbers that equal 10 when rounded to nearest whole number. So let's see, if you round this to nearest, this number is less than 5, so this will be rounded to 9. So 10, this number, whole number, we are just talking about whole number, this is less than 5, so it will become 10, and this is 9.6, so this number is greater than 5, so we are going to add 1 here, so it will become 10, and this one, whole number, it will become 11 because this number is 5 or more, we add 1 in the previous number. So here this number is 5, so again we are going to round it up plus 1, so it will be 10. So you can see we got 3 numbers which when you round they are equal to 10. So we are going to put a ring on that. Okay. Now question number 14. Write 2 factors of 48 that have difference of 13. Okay. So to write factors of 48, so 1 times 48 is 48, then 2 times 24, 3 times 16, 4 times 12 and 6 times 8. So these are the factors. So I can write down here factors of 48. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. You can take from here 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6. Then you have 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. So we are looking for the pair that have difference of 13. So if I see here 6 and 3, 16, sorry, 3 and 16. 16 minus 3 gives you 13. So one will be 3, another one will be 16. Question 15. Here is a square grid. Shade 2 more squares to make the pattern that has 2 lines of symmetry. So we need 2 lines of symmetry. So one line of symmetry may be here, this one. Another one may be here. So to make it same, if you shade this one here and on the other side this, so then it will have 2 lines of symmetry by shading these 2 squares. Question 16. A triangular stamp creates a print with 1 by 5 shaded. So 1 over 5 is shaded in this shape. The stamp is used to create a square logo. So you can see there are 4 such triangles used. So the question is, write what fraction of the logo is shaded. So we have 1 over 5 here, plus 1 over 5, plus 1 over 5, plus 1 over 5. So this is 4 over 5. Or you can also, other way is 1 over 5 times 4. 4 times 1 is 4. It will give you 4 over 5 times. Question 17. Here are 4 images from nature. So you can see 4 images. Take the picture that have at least 1 line of symmetry. So at least 1, maximum maybe more than that. If I look here, so this has this symmetry lines. Here is the line of symmetry, here is the line of symmetry. So only this figure is there where there is no line of symmetry. So at least 1 we can tick all these 3. So that's it for this video. The next other questions I will do in the next video. I hope you understood everything. Even then, if there is any doubt, you can write in the comment section, or if you figure out any mistake, you can let me know. Thanks for watching. Please share this channel with your friends and press the like button and also subscribe to my channel.